Hi. So, in this lab, we are going to perform the demonstration of VMware Aria deployment limit policy. So, let's begin with the lab. And in here, we logged in as a service broker admin. Once we logged in, we can go in content and policies, click on definitions, create new policy, and in here, you will see the deployment limit policy. Deployment limit policy control the amount of resources that can be used by our deployment. So let's do this example and try to understand how does it work. We'll specify eng deployment limit deployment limit policy for eng project. Select the project. It's VMware eng. And for storage, we're going to keep the limit of 1 GB. We'll type CPU, limit to be 4, limit name is CPU, add, and we'll add the criteria, catalog item not equal to VMW Windows Cloud Base. Now, in this policy, what we are doing, we're performing a limit on the amount of resources that a deployment can use. And we are specifying this limit on this particular project. We are providing a limit of 1 GB and deployment resource limit is for CPU is 4 and we'll click create. Now in via incognito mode, I log into service broker user. eng sp user, log into service broker, then creating a request for Windows, give a deployment name, hostname test 01, we'll submit. Under the service broker tab, click on CentOS request, give a name, test deployment CentOS, submit. So we can see in here for deployment for CentOS has been failed, whereas the deployment for Windows is in process because this is a VMW Windows cloud base, and in this it says if cloud item is not equal to Windows, in that scenario we have put the limit of the storage 1 GB. This policy got activated for CentOS, in which it is not equal to Windows, and then we got the limit of 1 GB, but CentOS need more than 1 GB to provision its boot disk. That's why if the CentOS faced the issue, whereas Windows did not face the issue, because in here this policy was only if it is not equal to Windows. This policy gets activated. Thank you.